Alright guys, it's time to look at Artificial Superintelligence Alliance again on the channel, or FET. It used to be called Fetch.ai guys, so excuse me if I call this Fetch because it's just much easier to say, of course. Now, we last did a video back here on January 5th, so we are about 3 times lower than where we are right now guys, unfortunately. And actually, if we take a look at this a little bit more closely, most cryptos actually came back and went into this red reaccumulation zone, guys. So the fact that Fetch.ai or Fetch, whatever we want to call it today, has come back and just, bounced off the top of this Fibonacci level here right above the reaccumulation zone, guys, is actually a pretty good sign, I would say. It didn't actually go all the way back down to where it was or where it started. Now, I picked up a lot of Fetch around 9 cents, guys. And yeah, I mean, I did, DCA a little bit into Fetch later. So you can see that my average is actually about 50 cents, about where we are right now. Still, I don't think there is any reason to panic. And I think Fetch is actually doing a pretty good job holding up compared to most other cryptos. Now, we are at a point where, this trend line has been holding us down, and it's held us down a couple of times before today. Now, today will be actually very critical, I would say. We probably, we need to close about, let's say, 51.5 cents. And then I think that would signal a breakout, guys. But right now, if we zoom in, you can see that we have not broken this trend just yet. So there isn't, any reason to celebrate at this moment, unfortunately. But yeah, once this breaks this, local trend, and the next, I think, resistance will be up here at about 58.1 cents, guys. So after that, you have this 63.7 cents on a weekly time frame, and then 68.7 cents, and then right above 72 cents, about almost 73 cents, will be the top of this Fibonacci zone. So that's the next levels to really look for, guys. We also need to kind of break this local high here, which we saw back on the 26th and 25th of March. And yeah, so once we break this and then these several levels after we break this trend line, we'll be off to the races, I think, once again. Now, taking a look at the RSI, let's just jump into this real quick. I always like to look at this and see how much more strength we have in this move. Now, on the daily, it actually is overbought here on the Stoke, so not so great. But on the RSI, it's right in the middle, pointed upwards, so that's okay. Weekly time frame, definitely, wow, oversold. So that is good. Now the RSI is very low. It is pointing to the upside, so that's good to see too. Monthly time frame, wow, oversold once again, guys. Also, the RSI is right in the middle, slightly pointed up though. So month and week look excellent. The daily, like I said, is a little bit overbought here. Now the lower, term time frames here. Let's take a look. So you can see it is overbought here on the 4-hour time frame and slightly pointed down. RSI is also pointed down and overbought as well. Now the 1-hour time frame, it's coming down, pretty heavily here on the Stoke RSI. The RSI is pointed to the downside, although it's not pointed heavily down. 15-minute time frame, okay, it's getting out of the oversold territory right now at the moment, and the RSI is just slightly pointed down. So kind of mixed signals here, I would say, on the lower term time frames, guys. Personally, if I just think about all this information, I would say it probably will go sideways. If anything, I don't think it's going to pump more today, really. I would just be happy if it would really hold this, trend line, which we are getting support off right now, at least on the 15-minute time frame, the 1-hour time frame also. And let's see, a 4-hour, yeah, it looks like we're just right on it. So let's see what happens, guys. First things first, let's take care of this trend line, and then we can move forward. Now, going back to this, let's take a look at the all-time high. All-time high was about $3.45. You're getting an 85% discount right now. So that is actually pretty good. Now, the max supply, guys, is some odd number here, 2.7 billion basically. Most of this is circulating, so that actually is okay. They can't really dilute anymore. That's fine. And yeah, I mean, FET is probably one of the best AI coins you can buy, guys. It is basically the leader in this field when it comes to crypto. Now, taking a quick look at Bitcoin, guys, we are losing this level here at 84,200 basically. We did get rejected today up here at 86,122. I mean, you can see this came right up to that line, guys. So yeah, that definitely is resistance, and that's a weekly resistance, unfortunately. So it's a little bit stronger than these dailies. Let's see if we hold up here, though, guys. We are actually a little bit lower than where we closed the CME on Friday. So again, that is okay because more than likely we will move up on Monday and close this gap. You know, especially if it's only a couple $100 or so. Now, taking a look at Ethereum, just when you think Ethereum starts to look good, it takes a crap and, you know, it comes down. So, sitting at 1583 right now and just kind of consolidating down here between 1546 and 1685. So, we definitely need to get above 1685 and work our way back out of this reaccumulation zone. Now, total market cap, guys, yeah, yesterday it looked like it was actually going to break out. And yeah, it looks like it just got kind of, I don't know, is it rejected? Is it like, did it break out or what? Okay, it did open the candle over here, but yeah, it is under these two lines, unfortunately, at 969 billion and under this trend line, so that is not good to see. Now, taking a look at the dominance, guys, it actually is getting a small green candle today. If we zoom in, you'll see this a little bit better. So yesterday we got a red candle. Today is a small green candle. Let's see what happens. Hopefully, you know, it won't be green much longer today, but who knows. Now, the CME, like I said, we closed at 84,100 basically. It did have a breakout here from this trend line, so that is actually a good thing to see. And if we look at the dollar, it closed on Friday below 100, guys, so keep that in mind. Now, liquidation heat maps in the last 24 hours, guys, pretty tame, under 200 million, not bad, pretty much equal on both sides. Now, taking a quick look at the fear and greed, guys, it is a 45 today, was a 43 yesterday, so we're basically in the same spot. Altcoin season index is an 18 today. It did come up from a 16, but with dominance going up, guys, this will come down even more. Sell the top indicators, guys, still 0 from 30 have been hit. Still 100% hold, so nothing to worry about. The best indicator here, Pi Cycle top indicator, is diverging. These, you know, green line and orange lines are not, you know, crossing, so that's okay, guys. Nothing really to worry about. Now, I'm just going to go over tomorrow. Tomorrow we do have New York Fed one-year consumer inflation expectations, and we do have several speakers. So let's see what they say tomorrow. But it could be a little bit volatile depending what they say. Now, taking a quick look at the FedWatch tools, guys, remember we do have about 60% believing we're not getting a cut and about 40% believing that we will get a cut. If you remember, actually, I think this was Friday, because yeah, it says 1 day, but this is actually the 11th of April. We had 81% believing that we're not getting a cut, so that's actually a big drop, guys. Now, taking a look at crypto bubbles today, not so great. We do have a few greens, of course. We were more green a little bit earlier today. Now, if you want to stake your FET, guys, let's take a look here. I know this is VeChain, but we can go to earn. Let's just take a quick look if this will cooperate today. Let's see, FET. Okay, Artificial Super Alliance. The best staking is actually on CoinW, so I actually didn't know that. I don't know if it would be worth it to send it from where I have it, though. But yeah, guys, if you have it in CoinW, you do have a limit of 1,000 there, and it's flexible, so that actually isn't too bad. Now, anyways, guys, if you like this video, share this video with your friends, activate the bell, become a member of the channel, guys. If you become a member of the channel, I will show you the MEXC updates basically in the Telegram group, which actually affect Bitcoin. And you can see the strength of the news and things. Sometimes I show MEXC on some of my videos when we have, you know, big events during the days and things. And yeah, guys, it is actually very helpful. Now, yeah, I thank you for, supporting this channel, guys. We have now 1,100 members, actually even. And yeah, I appreciate it, guys. I never imagined we would grow this big. And yeah, thank you so much.